This is how you remove anything off your credit in 4 days. Here's one of my customer scores after I got done using the method. The law you're going to use is 15 USC 1681C-2. The credit bureaus only have 4 days to remove the negative items off your credit report if you identify them as identity theft. Have ChatGPT make you a dispute letter with that law and all the negative items included. Pair this letter up with an FTC report from identitytheft.gov. Submit through the CFPB. Dispute for every credit bureau, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. If you did everything correctly, you should see your score go up.
There is no 4-day rules. It just says that they have to act promptly once they are notified, okay? And if you just use that 1681C2, which is section 605B, which is used for identity theft, you have to send the police report also. You don't have to go to police station. You can just go to FBI website, IC3. It's the online crime division. You can get a police report from there and then file the FTC report, the identity theft report, submit those. They have to answer promptly if you sent all the information, didn't mention the ID, you didn't mention the police report, you didn't mention sending it certified mail, and basically you just send it through CFPB. You have to send it through the credit agencies. They have to respond to you. Once you have the response, if they respond to you, if they remove, good. If they don't remove, that's when you go to CFPB. Especially right now, CFPB does not have enough manpower. They are almost shut down. They collapsed back in February. CFPB in this case, it still works. But in order to have them investigated and hold them responsible, you have to use the 1681S2, which is section 623, which reminds them of their responsibility. And you have to get the documents, tell them, hey, I want to prove that this was open through fraud. And you get that done by putting the code, section 609E, if I'm not mistaken, 609E. That tells them, hey, this person is requesting the documents to prove this account was open through fraud. In order to hold them responsible to respond within 30 days, you have to use the section 611, okay, which is 1681I. That one forces them to respond to you within 30 days.
I've been in credit industry for 12 years now. Debt collection side and consumer side. After CFPB collapsed, credit game is completely changed. Old methods, they don't work anymore. You need a new one, I got the new one. Based on 1,244 violations and errors. Procedural, structural, Metro 2, FCRA, FDCPA, combinations, the auto removals, everything and anything in between. Anything that has to do with credit, I got you. 949-368-5224. Text me.